Hey, what's up, y'all? It's poppin'. It's D. Let's react to this video by Aeronomy. This is all planet sounds from space in our solar system. So we about to hear all of these sounds. What the hell does our planet sound like? All planet sounds? What does Earth sound like? Earth sounds like chaos. Chaos, because that's what's happening on this planet. Chaos. All the other planets might be all peaceful and like soothing, but Earth is just a whole bunch of BS. But anyway, let's hear. Space sounds. Sounds deadly. Sounds like something is like heat radiating off of something. This is accurate. This is what I would imagine the sun to sound like. It just sounds like death. Like if it touched you, like your face gonna melt. I don't like how this sounds. Sound like some alien demonic dogs. I don't like it. Nope. I don't like this. This is like a scary bell. Like a bell letting you know you about to die. Y'all know what I'm talking about? How in some horror movies they got like a bell and you know you about to die. Am I thinking of what's that one scary movie? This sounds like chaos, but like air chaos. Whole bunch of wind. Chaotic wind. It sounds like a plane taking off. That's interesting. This sounds like wind too, but it's like calmer. But then it also sounds like it's a very dark sound too. It sounds scary. Earth doesn't sound scary at all. That's crazy. All the rest of these other planets sound kind of scary. See? It's like horror music, horror theme music. This one not as bad, but the other one's for sure. This sounds like horror theme music, bro. This don't sound safe. This sounds like a train coming and it's about to kill you. Or it could sound like a whole bunch of things are being sucked into something. Whatever it is, it don't sound safe. Or is it a whole bunch of people screaming? I don't know. It's scary. Oh, Uranus sounds a lot like Earth. Yeah, it sounds like chaotic wind. It sounds very similar to Earth. It sounds cold though. I don't know what cold sound like, but it's giving me cold vibes. I think Neptune is so pretty. Neptune is the most calm by far. Yeah, this is really calm. I could actually meditate to this. This is kind of soothing. Nope. Sound like a horror movie. Mm-mm. What the hell? No, that last part got real eerie. I didn't like that at all. Pluto was real scary. Why does it sound like horror music? Like horror theme music? All these planets. That's exactly what it sounds like. Like it sounds super scary. And I don't know if it's just that's me thinking that because I find other planets to be creepy. Like just because there's no life on these other planets, or as we know, we really don't know shit. But just because there's no life there, and it's just a whole bunch of crazy, chaotic stuff going on these other planets. Maybe that's why I associate it with, horror and like, eerie things going on. But they sound kind of eerie to me. I don't know. Let me know if it's just me. I think Earth sounded like it was just chaotic, like chaotic wind. But the rest of them sound scary, except Neptune. Neptune was really calm. And I think it was Uranus that was kind of similar to Earth a little bit. But the rest of these sound creepy as fuck. Like, you could literally listen to this and watch a horror movie and not know the difference. But this was a really interesting video. I liked it a lot. Let me know what y'all thought. Let me know what other videos you want me to react to. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!